Have you ever looked at a website and loved it and wondered, I wonder what WordPress theme they're using for this website? Maybe I'd like to use it too. So where do you start? So I have a method to explore and find out what's the theme, the WordPress theme that this website is using, and are they even using WordPress? And this works most of the time, so it's not 100%, but it often gives you the information that you need. So it's a really quick, simple way to find out what theme is being used. So you're on the website. Anywhere on the website, you can right-click, and the browser I'm using is the Chrome browser. This will work on other browsers as well, but you'll want to right-click, and you're going to look for the option to view page source. And you don't have to understand code in order to do this. So if you click on view page source, then in a new tab, you get all this code. We don't need to understand this code to get the answer that we're looking for. And so I want you to then on your keyboard select Command or Control F as in Frank. So Command F or Control F and just type the word themes. So if you type the word themes, you should only have a couple of results. So I have 2 results, and if I look to the first one, then I see here the word themes is highlighted, and right after that is the name of the theme. So the name of the theme in this case is Avada. So Avada, not sure how you pronounce it, but that's the theme that this website is using, and that's the first one that pops up. So if you don't find anything that comes up when you type themes, or if it's like just the name of the company, for example, then it's a custom theme, and it's unlikely that you'll be able to find it using this method. But so this is how to do that. You can also use this same approach if you're wondering, are they using a WordPress website? So you can, instead of typing themes, you just type WP. And then when you type WP, that stands for WordPress, then you should see lots of results, and it should be WP-content, WP-something else. There should be a lot of results. So on this page alone, there are over 700 results with WP. If you only find the letters WP like once or twice, it's probably not a WordPress website, but this is the big clue that it is a WordPress website because WP is all over this page. Okay, hopefully that helps. Stick with me and we'll take small steps with WordPress and SEO.